The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Random Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel here. You also talk about how to make money online, how to invest, how to trade, and at times we talk about tech videos. Yeah. So today is a tech video. Yeah. So when I started my YouTube career, I was finding difficult to make even $100 a month because as a small YouTuber, it's very difficult for you to get a lot of views. Yeah, so at times you'll be getting some thousand views, and all you'll be getting is $1 or $0.5 is 0.5 cents instead of 10. So I was finding it difficult to even have $100 or $50 a month. Yeah, until I found this method on YouTube. Yeah, until I found this method on YouTube. Yeah, and this one nobody's telling you, or people are not teaching you. Yeah, so I have this course in my description that I I started everything from scratch. How you can rebuild your YouTube channel, if even if your channel have 1,000 or 10,000 views and you don't have the views and the revenue. Yeah, so at times you can have the views but you can't have the revenue. So this is what I'm saying, like people can have 10,000 views and their revenue for that views will be, let's say, $2. Yeah, so i want to show you I want to show you something over here. I want to show you something over here. Yeah, I want to show you something. Yeah, so when I started my YouTube journey, let me go to the December on. When I started my YouTube journey, I got monetized, I think this year. Yeah, this year. And me, I don't have enough views. Yeah, I don't have enough views. So I was a month, see, I'll be getting $24, $25. You see that thing? It's not enough. How many months will it count for you to even get $100? Yeah. So I was finding it difficult to even make $50 a month. Yeah, until I found this method that I'm talking about. That is why I said this method, because it's a long method and it's very good. I'm just selling this method for only 35 cedis. So I will leave the link in my description. Yeah, I'm selling it just for $3. Yeah, because this method can help you real activate your accounts, rebuild your accounts, like do much settings about your account, because this YouTube is all about settings. Yeah. So when I did a video and I don't have enough views, all my views, it will be 500, 200, 300, 400, you see that thing. But right now, even if I get 200 views, I still can make more than $1 from that 200 views. Yeah, and because of what I did on my channel, yeah, because of what I did on my channel, yeah. So what I did is all in the course, and the course will guide you from beginning to the end. Yeah, so I got this method from November, from here. So the November, I got this method at the end of November. So my YouTube revenue started boosting at the end of November. So right now, December, and right now today's date is 13th December, and I've already made 103.07. That's I've never make this money before. Is that thing? Yeah, and right now it's even 13th December, so it means that I can make more. Yeah, and because of the things I did on my account, I reactivate my account and redo most of my settings on my account. Is that thing? Yeah, and did a lot of things in my account. Yeah, That's why I said that if you get a course, it's a video course. Like I've done it in a such way that you will be very comfortable watching it, and it's very understandable. Yeah, understanding. Like you can, like, when you start from the scratch, you will know where you are going, where you are ending, like where you are ending towards, everything. Yeah, and I took my time to build this course because, like, it's very hard for us, like, we the young YouTubers, upcoming YouTubers, to even make $20 a month on YouTube. That is why I have was built this course for you at low cost, 35 cents. People are selling their courses $5, $10, $50, but you will not see anything. This course, I took my time, explain everything, and it's practical. It's practical from the beginning to the end. It's practical. It's practical. Yeah. So when I did these settings, and I was like, yo, that's very cool. Because like when I monetize, you see, I was getting 0.5, 0.30, 0. You see that thing. The day I'll get $1, hey, that day I'll be happy. You see that thing. But when I come here, you see that, yo, it's going up. My like the lowest I'll be getting is even $2. And this thing, even if I get 100 views, I still will get $1 apples. Yeah, and I don't want to hide this method from you. That's why I have built a course to direct you from the beginning to the end. It will direct you from the beginning to the end, because yeah, when I did this thing on my channel, right now I can see that my channel revenue is very cool. Though you can post a lot of videos, but when you're not getting views, at times you'll be getting views, but you're not getting the revenue and things. Yeah, that is why I took my time to build this course for you, for all my young YouTubers, because it's very hard for us to even chop when the month ends. Is that thing? That is why I built this course for you. That you have to reactivate and rebuild your channel. Yeah, rebuild the channel, do some settings and everything. That will help your channel revenue go up. Yeah, that will help your channel. Hey, that will help your channel go up. So no time to waste. I will leave the link in my description, so click on it, purchase the course, and I'll leave my number on the screen. So if you are finding something difficult, you can chat me and I'll guide you as well. The name's remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, and I'm out.